Hey guys, got a pump that won't prime. Here's a new solution, so check it out. Okay, in this whisper flow pump, it's not building up pressure, and you'll notice this O-ring sticking out into the basket. Should look like this. And when you turn it on, it should suck all the water out of there. It does. You see this stream keeps coming back in. It's bringing water in from the inside, so it's not allowing the pump to fill up completely. So to fix it, we'll remove the 6 bolts, slide the housing back, put the new O-ring on. Should fix the problem. Whirl. This one's below water level, so it'll fill itself up. Okay, get the basket full. And we'll turn it on. Right up immediately. You have a bad gauge here, but it's working. Pump primed straight up, got good water flow. It was just that gasket.